In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from all devices in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to end active sessions on phones, tablets, and computers using your Microsoft account's security settings. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook. Then select the official Outlook website from Microsoft. If you're already signed in, you'll see your inbox. If not, sign into the account you want to secure. It helps to double-check you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once Outlook opens, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. A small menu will appear. Choose My Profile. This will take you out of the inbox and into your Microsoft account page, where all your account settings live. On the Microsoft account page, select the Security tab. You may be prompted to verify your identity for safety. Go ahead and complete that if asked. This is normal and ensures only you can make security changes. Next, find and click Manage How I Sign In. This section brings together sign-in and verification controls tied to your account. It's the right place to manage sessions and access. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Sign Out Everywhere. Click it. This command tells Microsoft to end your active sessions across devices and browsers linked to this account. It's a reliable way to cut off access if you've used a public computer, lost a device, or just want a clean slate. Keep in mind that it can take a little time for all sessions to fully close across different apps and platforms. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Click Sign Out to confirm. After this, expect to be signed out on your current browser as well, or at least prompted to sign in again shortly. Before you do any of this, it's smart to save any drafts or ongoing work so you don't lose changes when the session ends. That's the full process. Open Outlook, go to your profile, switch to your Microsoft account page, launch the security area, open Manage How I Sign In, and use Sign Out Everywhere, then confirm. If you return to Outlook later and it asks you to sign back in, that's normal. Just use your usual sign-in method. For best results, give it a few minutes for the sign-out to propagate across all devices. Thanks for watching. If this helped you secure your account, you're all set to keep your Outlook usage safe and tidy.